Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday, September 27th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, today is the last day of our Start With Hello week, so today is the day that we connect everything together. So let's make sure not only just to say hello, but also to make a promise to be kind to others and actually be ones that we want to be friends to and show that we're able to be connected and we're diverse. So all the different things that we learned this week is a great day to kind of show that you're able to kind of be kind, be able to say hello to a new friend, and accept each other for who we are, and not to worry about what the color of our skin or if we're a boy or a girl, that we're just here to make good choices and be friends with everybody. Also, I want to send out a special thank you to Mrs. Rockwell, our school psychologist, for organizing this event. Thank you very much, Mrs. Rockwell. We appreciate all your work that you did with this. There is no birthdays to announce for today, so get into our lunch choices: pepperoni pizza, chicken parmesan sandwich, or sun butter and jelly. And boys and girls, there is no riddle of the week this week, but we will have one coming up next Friday. At this time, let's please take a moment. Let's get to our pause first before we get to our moment of silence. All right, boys and girls, we have 3 students here from Mrs. Hirsch's class to review some things, expectations for our pause.
No pushing a line when you're going down the slide. No pushing on your laptop.
Okay, be nice to your friends. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you guys, appreciate that. And at this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys, I appreciate that. And everybody have a wonderful Friday. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself and make sure that today makes the best day of our Hello Week and making sure that we're finding some new friends to play with and to be with.